Good morning and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's video is just going to be a little bit different. I'm going to take you on a shop with me at Tractor Supply. They have some really cute and unique farmhouse decor pieces, so if you haven't checked them out, you should. Also, I'm going to show you a little bit about a tea that I've been drinking, and if this isn't your type of video, I will be back on Monday with more DIYs. I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so before we head out shopping, I thought this would be the perfect time to introduce you guys to this tea that I've been trying. Now this company, Teami, contacted me a while back and asked if I would like to try any of their products. And I was really looking to try their face masks or scrubs, but I have super sensitive skin, so I didn't think that was a great idea. So if any of you have tried that before and you have sensitive skin, let me know how your skin reacted to it. Like I said, I really wanted to try the scrub, but instead I tried a tea and it's super good. So this video is not sponsored, they're not paying me, they just said if I liked their products I could share it with my subscribers. And also if you go to their website and check out the things that they have, I have a 15% off coupon code for anything that you purchase. So this is the tea that they sent me. They recommend using a tablespoon of it. They don't send the tablespoon, it's just how I have mine. But this is the flavor. And it's super cool because this tea actually has like rosebuds and stuff in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really good. So it also came with this really cute pink tumbler. And it says Teami on it, and it has this really cool little secret compartment where you can add tea if you're on the go and add more later. Also, you just unscrew this and it comes with a strainer that you just pop off. You're going to want to add 1 tablespoon to the tumbler. And then you're going to want to add your hot water. And then put your strainer back on because you don't want a mouthful of tea. And then before you close it, make sure you open this because you don't want the pressure to build up with the hot water in there. And then you're all set. And don't shake it or anything, just go ahead and let it sit. And then you can take this on the go with you. And I've been really liking drinking the tea when I've had enough coffee already, or if I just wanted something a little bit sweet, a little bit different. So I thought this could be really good in the summertime because you could brew up a batch of this and put it in the fridge so that you have some sweet iced tea, and maybe add some lemon or berries or however you like your tea. So now that this is made up, let's go shopping. I noticed that some of the pieces here are part of Trisha Yearwood's line, and they're so pretty. I had to have my husband hold this watering can just to show you the size because it is gigantic. Seems like all the stuff here is huge compared to the stuff that you can get at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. It's awesome. Check out this tobacco basket. I've never seen one so big. I don't know if you can tell the size of this star. I tried to show you with putting my hand next to it, but this is also another giant piece. I love this. It would look so cute on a porch or a deck. I love this wagon wheel, and I can't believe it's only $34.99. This is just a small section of their clearance items. This chicken is taller than me. I'm not exactly sure where you would put something like this. I had to show you these because I thought they were really cute journals. More of their clearance items. I swung into Meijer real quick just to see what they had in their home decor section, and it looks like they're pretty much cleared out. So I just showed you what they had. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this type of video. I just wanted to change things up a little bit so that you're not bored with all the DIYs. Also, I wanted to show you the really cool farmhouse decor pieces that Tractor Supply had, in case you weren't aware. And let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see a cleaning or organizing type video next week. If not, if you guys are liking the DIYs, I would love to keep going with those. Also, I'm going to be fixing up our guest room and changing it over kind of to a guest room / my office. I'm going to be painting and redoing the closet and stuff like that. So if you would like to see that as I go along, just let me know. Well, I'll see you guys on Monday for another DIY. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye!